Before I start the video, I want to let you guys know that we're running a promotion on our servers. If you purchase a server by August 2026 with the link in the description, or by using the code on the screen, you can get 25% off your monthly plan as long as you keep the server you originally purchased. If you're watching past August 2026, don't worry. You can still use the same code or link in the description to get a lifetime 10% off your plan. So what are you waiting for? Go to Trivox.sh and lock in your lifetime discount. Hey guys, it's Casey from Trivox, and today we're going to be teaching you how to make your own Minecraft server on a Linux VPS. I'll try to get straight to the point in this video, and if I'm moving too fast, don't worry. Everything seen in this video will be in the link in the description. So first things first, we're going to be logging into our Linux server. As you can see, I've already done that here. The program of my choice is Xmx2G, and I highly recommend it over programs like Putty. So the first command we'll be running is apt space update. This just updates any old packages we have, and this should only take a couple seconds. Yeah, there we go. And after that, we're going to be installing two packages. The first package we're installing is the Java Runtime Environment version 25. We can do this with sudo apt install openjdk-25-jre space -y, and this might take a minute or less. Keep in mind that we're installing a Minecraft 26.1 snapshot 2 server, so if you want to install an older version of Minecraft, or maybe in the future a newer version, then you might have to use a different JDK version. For newer versions, it should be rare that you'd have to use a different Java version, so don't stress too much about it. Now you might get this prompt while installing JRE. You can ignore it and just click enter. And as well as this screen, and you can just use your arrow keys to go down and click enter. Now we'll be installing screen, and we can do that by using apt space install space screen. The reason why we're installing screen is so that we can keep the Minecraft server running while being logged out of our Linux server. Now that's over with, we have to run the command java space -jar space server.jar space nogui. However, we can't run this command because we don't have the server.jar file. You can find this file in minecraft.net/download/server. On this page, you can use the hyperlink over here, and that should automatically start the download. We won't be using this command on the website since our file name is different, and also we're leaving this portion out since it's not necessary for this step. So I actually have the file already downloaded. All you have to do is just drag and drop it into the box on the left hand side, and Xmx2G will automatically upload the file to the server via FTP. After the file is done uploading, we could run the command I was talking about earlier. As you can see, the jar file created all of these files, and you should get an error, but that's because we have to edit the eula.txt file. There's many ways we can do this, but the easiest way on Xmx2G is to just click the txt file, and it should open this prompt, and we can change the value to true. On eula equals false, so just change false to true. Then finally, we're going to be using the same command, except we're going to put screen in front of it. I'm also going to be adding these command arguments, -xmx and -xms. And these two command line arguments are there to limit the maximum and initial RAM used by the Minecraft server. So the 2G in this case means I'm setting a 2 GB limit on the maximum RAM the server can use and the initial RAM allocated at startup. You can set this to whatever you desire in case you're hosting a website, Discord bot, or anything else on your server, or if you just want stability just for good measure. As you can see, our server is generating our world, and once that's done, we can connect to our server. Your server IP should be the same as your Linux server IP address, and also the default Minecraft ports shown here. So I'll just type the IP followed by a colon, and 25565, which is the default Minecraft port. I forgot to mention, we can get out of the Minecraft console by holding Control and clicking A, then D. If we want to go back to our Minecraft console, we can use screen space -ls to list the screens, and since we only have one, we can use screen space -r. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget, we're offering a lifetime discount on our Linux servers. You can check us out in the link in the description, or use the code on screen at Trivox.sh. Hope you guys learned something and had fun, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.